With only 2 cups a day for 1 week, your stomach will be flatter. The desire of lots of individuals is to have a flat stomach. Sadly, you cannot simply exercise your approach to it. A lot involves exactly what you take into your mouth. Do you have excess fat in your abdominal area place and want to eliminate it one and for all? Luckily, today we will show you a drink that is actually reliable to assist us attain a flat abdominal area. This beverage is extraordinary due to that it helps you to avoid the boost of weight. With this healthy drink you have lots of benefits given that you can cleanse the organ system entirely and get rid of damaging contaminants. It also enhances brain activity and function and assists prevent fluid retention. This amazing recipe consists of 100% natural ingredients and it is easy to make. Ingredients: 1 cup newly squeezed juice of natural grapefruit or orange juice, 1 teaspoon pure natural honey, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. Preparation: place the active ingredients in a mixer and mix till smooth and homogeneous. The best ways to take this beverage before lunch or dinner for 7 days or up till you see enhancements in the midsection, and after that duplicate the treatment for another 7 days. Properties and benefits of the ingredients: 1 serving of grapefruit has just 53 calories and about 2 grams of fiber. Research study has in fact similarly found that consuming half a grapefruit before every meal can lead to higher weight loss and eaters. Apple cider vinegar promotes digestion. It similarly reduces the amount of time that fats remains in the gastrointestinal system. It is vital that your body gets a possibility to eliminate important nutrients from your food, and conditions that contribute to diarrhea can be life-threatening. But at the specific same time, it can be unhealthy to have food remain in the intestines for too long. If fats present longer than essential throughout food digestion, more fats will be taken in. Pure honey. It is full of antioxidants, and it is a healthier natural sugar, rich in minerals and vitamins and more beneficial to your health than refined sugar. Make sure to try out this natural recipe today and eliminate that excess belly fat in no time.